Hello, and welcome to the ViGEM Tutorial Center. In this tutorial, you will learn more about how ViGEM ensures the secure transfer of mobile recorded data from anywhere in the world. Our sophisticated and highly efficient data handling concept allows 24/7 usage of your fleet of test vehicles due to the extremely short downtimes that occur during the change of the storage media for the data transfer. As one of the leading big data logging solutions for the automotive industry, the ViGEM CCA9010 data logger features a sustained recording speed of up to 25 gigabits per second and a removable data storage of up to 64 terabytes. With 4 cascaded ViGEM data loggers, you can now record 320 terabytes per day. The upload via traditional internet has a lot of weaknesses. New data handling solutions regarding data transfer and security are required. ViGEM solves this challenge with extremely rugged removable data storage modules. These can be sent physically to the data centers for upload. To guard your privacy and confidentiality, your valuable data can be encrypted to secure the data on the storage modules against unauthorized access during the transfer to the ingest location. Our mobile data handling concept is based on robust and easy-to-exchange removable data storage modules. At the end of the day, or when the memory is full, the module can be shipped from the test vehicle directly to the ingest station of the data center. There, the ViGEM copy station performs a fast upload into your data lake. The rugged removable data storage modules are always on the move, and your data will be made available to development teams worldwide in a fast and secure way. Depending on your specific needs, a number of variants are offered. Storage capacities from 16 to 64 terabytes and operating temperature ranges for both commercial and industrial usage are supported. All modules feature the highest data security with hardware-based data encryption. For the encryption of our hardware products, we use the self-encrypting drive feature of the SSDs according to the OPAL 2.0 standard. The data encryption works with all devices of the CCA9010 solution, the data logger, the removable data storage, and the copy station. A password generated by the ViGEM key management tool is assigned to each CCA9010 data logger and stored together with a unique ID. This ID will later be used for data decryption in the ViGEM copy station. Your data is safe from the second it gets recorded, regardless of where the removable storage module is located in the world. The copy station accesses the key file directory on a secure key file server, or accesses the previously installed key store. After fetching the matching key file, the copy station unlocks the storage module and the decrypted data is copied to the data center. After the upload, the removable data storage module is securely erased and can immediately be used for recording in the field again. Please contact our experts for further information or to discuss your special requirements.